Okay, we will start our discussion with this subject. My name is Emmanuel P. Trinidad. I will be your OLC for today. The subject is feedback and control system. Then we will have to discuss the topics Laplace transform, system modeling, and transfer function. Okay, we start now. Okay, this is a sample of title and subtopic, how to make slides. Then enumerate the key ideas pertaining, then do not copy contents module, limit each slide 6 slides only. That's example only. Then introduction. On this subject, since we are discussing feedback, is to develop mathematical models from schematics of physical system. Then we will discuss also two methods. This include the transfer function in the frequency domain, and the second one is the state equation in the time domain. Okay, next, we have the first step in developing a mathematical model is to apply the fundamental physical law of science and engineering. Okay, that is the introduction. Next, we have in modeling electrical networks, we are using, since we are have subjects circuits and electronics, we are already familiar with this Ohm's law, that is formula equivalent to voltage equivalent to current times resistance, and the Kirchhoff's law is the summation of all current in the junction that is equivalent to zero. Then that is the basic law of electric network we apply. In a mechanical system, we all use Newton's law that we are already familiarized with this one in guides of the summation of forces and torques. If you have subject, for example, a strength of materials, you are familiar with that, and deformable of rigid bodies. Okay, also in physics, we use that formula, Newton's law. Okay, well, from this equation, we obtain the relationship between the system and output and input. Okay, since we are subject is feedback and control system, you should be familiarized with three variable characteristic. What is the three characteristic we are using in the feedback? First, we have the input. The input is like a stimulus, or for example, we have the goal or our what we want a set point. For example, input is the temperature, the goal or the value you want in the temperature. For example, you like 19 degrees Celsius, then you click the remote control for your temperature. Then the next one, the medium or the one who will process it, it calls process. The example of process, we have microcontroller like Arduino and Gizduino and Raspberry. That is the example of microcontroller that will process the input. Next, the third characteristic is the output. The output is the goal or the natural or the exact value of the temperature. And there are two types of loop we are using in feedback. The one is the open loop and the closed loop. In the closed loop, it has a feedback or the measurement to correct the value of a temperature, for example. Okay, now we next. Okay, this is an example of a mathematical representation. In this example, as you can see, we have input. Okay, that is a stimulus or the value or the set point you want. For example, that is R times T. It depends on the time. Okay, now the system, for example, is the process. Okay, the one will process the input. Next, the last one will be the output. Okay, we have C times T. It will depend on the time. It means it vary through time. Note the input RT stands for reference input. Reference input, for example, your reference input or your set point value is 19 degrees Celsius. In 90 degrees Celsius, until it reaches 90 degrees Celsius, for example, it is 21 or 20, then you make low the value of temperature, then the output will become 19 degrees Celsius temperature, okay? Then the output is CT, stands for control variable, okay? That is an example of the term. This is an example of block diagram representation of a system. As you can see, this is what? A closed loop or an open loop. In this sample, it has an input system, then output. This example is a open loop because it does not have what? Feedback. Okay, next we have, next topic is will become the Laplace transform as your review. These are example of Laplace transform. Okay, a system represented by a differential equation is difficult to model as a block diagram. Okay, thus we use the Laplace transform with which we can represent the input, output, and a system as separate entities. Okay, we will use what? Differential equation in this model to represent the block diagram. Since this block diagram consists of input, then we have also the output and the system as separate entities. Okay. Further, this interrelationship will be simplified using algebraic. Okay, we will use this formula in solving feedback or differential equation. Okay, let us first define the Laplace transform. What is the meaning of Laplace transform? As you can see, this formula is equate from Laplace f of t equal to f of s, then equal to upper limit, infinite upper limit, and 0 or negative lower limit, then f of t times e raised to negative st, then derivatives of t or derivative of time. Okay, that is the formula we will use using Laplace. These are already proven and already computed, where s equivalent to alpha plus j omega or jw, a complex variable. This is an example of a formula to solve also Laplace. But later, I will give the table or the example of Laplace equation and its representation. Thus, knowing FFT that the integral exists, we can find a function f of s that is called Laplace transform of f of t. Okay, next we have, okay, as a engineering student, you should familiarize with this formula or equivalent of Laplace. For example, uh, f of t, t only equivalent to 1, then u times t equivalent to 1 over s. Later, I will give an example. The third one is, what is the Laplace of t times u? That will equal to 1 over s squared. Then t raised to n times u times t. That will be n factorial over sn plus 1. Then the formula for e negative at u will be 1 over s plus a. Then sine omega t times u times t equivalent to w over s squared plus w squared. Then cosine wt equivalent to s over s squared plus w squared. Okay, later I will give an example problem. Okay, you should familiarize with that formula. That is the Laplace transform table. Okay, this is an example. For example, find the Laplace transform of 3 minus 2t plus 4t squared. Okay, since we already using true time or any variable t or w, then the answer will be equivalent to s. That will be the representation of Laplace. For example, 3, that is a number, then that will be equivalent to 3 times 1, then what's the value of 1 in the table? 1 is equivalent to 1 over s. How about if there is a uh, other number, for example, 5, that will be 5 times 1 over s because 1 equivalent to Laplace is 1 over s. Okay. Next, we have minus 2t. Since we have exponential that t, that is invisible only, that is t, 2 times t raised to 1, that will be what? You just put down outside the 2, that will be 2. Then the value for t is t raised to n or what? 1 over s squared because 1 over Sn plus 1. Okay, you just add 1. Okay, that will be 2 times 1 over S squared. Then another one, 4 times t raised to squared. You just put outside the 4. Then this n factorial, that is 2 factorial. If they are given t raised to 3, that will be 3 factorial. Okay, 3 factorial is equivalent to 3 times 2 times 1. Since the given is 2 factorial, you just make it 2 times 1, then all over Sn plus 1. The n is equivalent to 2, that's why 2 plus 1 equivalent to 3. Okay, the final answer will be the Laplace for 3 minus 2t plus 4t squared is equivalent to 3 all over s, that is 3 times 1, that's why it becomes 3 over s, then minus 2 all over s squared, then plus 8 times 2, that will 4 times 2, that will be 8 over s cube. Okay, that will be the final answer. You just follow the table. That is easier to solve. Next. Okay, next we have find the Laplace transform of sine 3t. Okay, since in the table, what is the formula for sine 3t? Sine 3t is what? Okay, I'll just look. Okay. Okay, try to solve sine 3t. What is the formula? It is already in the table. Okay, if you are given sine 3t, the formula is sine 80 equivalent to a over s squared plus a squared. Okay, what's the value of a? Value is 3. That's why 3 in the upper all over s squared plus the a squared, that is 3 squared. Then we simplify, the value will be 3 all over s squared plus 9. Okay, that is in the table. If you have cosine 80, that will be s over s squared plus a squared. Okay, it depends on the table of the Laplace transform. It's already computed and simplified. Next, find the Laplace transform of e raised to 3t. In the formula, you just use the formula e raised to 80. That will be equal to 1 over s minus a. Okay, that will be 1 over s. What is the value of a? That is 3. That's why it become 1 over s minus 3. Okay, you just follow the formula. Next, okay, that's the formula for example of Laplace transform theorem. We have definition, linearity, then we have frequency shift theorem, time shift theorem. As you can see, Laplace, it's already have a formula. Since you are done with the integration, you should be familiarized with this one. Okay, you just follow the equivalent formula. Okay, there is also a differentiation theorem. It's differential calculus also. Then integration theorem also. If you have a Laplace, for example, integral of of upper 1, then lower limit is value 0, then integral minus f of t, then times dt. Okay, you just follow the integration theorem. If you have also formula for f of infinite, that will become limit s of s times s, then s to 0. Okay, you just follow the initial value theorem also. Okay, for this theorem, to yield correct finite result, all roots of the denominator f of s must have negative real parts and no more than one can be at the origin. In 2, for this theorem to be valid, f of t must be continuous and have a step discontinuity at time equivalent to 0. That is no impulse or derivatives time equivalent to 0. Okay, next. Okay, the other topic will be transfer function. What is the use of transfer function? Since we are using a block diagram, we also use transfer function to represent its block diagram with equation. Okay, for example, transfer function model is an S-domain mathematical model of control system. The transfer function of a linear time invariant LTI is called system is defined as the ratio of Laplace transform of output and Laplace transform of input. Okay, as you can see, the formula for transfer function is output over input. Okay, by assuming all the initial condition are zero. Okay, we use this transfer function to know if the system is are good or if there is no problem in the system. That's why it is a ratio between output and the input, or that we will know if the system have efficiency, its efficiency. Next, we have, okay, what will be the formula for transfer function? It is transfer function equivalent to C times C of S over R of S. Okay, you just approximate it. C over S is the output, then R of S is the input. Then G times G of S is uh, the equivalent value or equal. Then the remarks, the transfer function is always computed with the all condition equal to zero. You just summation it or make all condition equal to zero. Okay, that is the formula. The transfer function is the Laplace transform of the impulse response function. Okay, we only computed the output all over input or the efficiency of the system. It will be depend on the transfer function. Next, standard form. What is the standard form of a transfer function? Since in transfer function, we will use what? Differential equation formula. Okay, for example, find the transfer function represented by dc of t over derivatives of time or dt plus 2c times time equivalent to r of t. Okay, what will be the solution? Taking the Laplace transform of both sides, assuming zero initial condition, we have transfer function gain of s equivalent to what? Okay, the formula will be s of c of s plus 2 of c of s equivalent to rs. Okay. Then next, the transfer function. This only showing the formula of how the transfer function or g of s is computed or simplify. As you can see, there are two c of s over r of s equivalent to 1 over s plus 2. Okay, that will be the formula. Okay, as you can see, if there are both C, you just make the outside C, then this will become what? S, then plus 2. As you can see, that's why S plus 2 is here. Then you just cross multiply. Then equivalent to C over R, then equivalent to 1 over S plus 2. It is only simplified equation. This will be the general formula. G of S equivalent to C of S over R of S equivalent to 1 over S plus 2. Okay, next. What other function of Laplace or transfer function? These are the electrical circuit. As you can see, you are already familiarized with this in your subject circuits and electronics one. These are the equivalent circuits for electric network that we work with consists of three passive linear components. What are the passive linear components? We have resistor, capacitor, and inductor. Passive means they only resist. For example, resist, capacitor, they only store. Passive means only they will receive. Not like in active or linear components, they are will provide the current or the value. In these passive linear components, they only receive the, for example, value or variable like resistor. We resist the current. What is the use of capacitor? You just store energy. Then inductor also not providing a conductance. Okay, these are the component. You should be familiar with this symbol. These are the capacitor. Then this is a resistor. Then inductor is like a coil, then it's torn. Then how about the voltage current? As you can see in this formula, we already using what? Integration and derivatives. Okay, that is 1 over C, integral of 1 over 0. Upper limit is value is 1, lower limit is 0. Then integral I of t, then dt. Then in current voltage, these are the formula I of t equivalent to C, derivative of voltage through time, dt over dt. Then voltage charge equivalent to 1 over C. C is the value of charge. Then QT, okay. Then voltage current, that is R times I through times time, or T. Then current voltage is 1 over R, then BT. And BT will be equivalent to R dQ over dt. As you can see, these our formula are using what? Derivatives and integration. Because transfer function can be obtained using a Kirchhoff's voltage law and summing voltage around loop or meshes. We call this a method loop or mesh analysis. Okay, that is the formula. Next. Okay, how about in a mechanical system? We also use a block diagram or transfer function. As you can see, f of c equivalent to kx, then you are familiarized with this. Force equivalent to what? That is mass times what? Acceleration. Acceleration, we have the constant 9.81. That is the common. Then we all use also derivative of times. That is m derivative of v over dt. Then equivalent to m d squared x dt squared. Okay. Then force in distance equivalent to cv times c times dx over dt. Okay, that is the mechanical system using transfer function. Okay, is this the general formula that will be force equivalent to kx minus c derivative of dx over dt minus m derivative squared x over dt squared. Okay, as you can see, in mechanical system, we all also using what? Derivatives also. Because derivatives, we are computing the value of force that is changing or varying through time. Okay, next. How about system response from a transfer function? Okay, we have example. Use the result of example 1 to find the response of C of t to an input R of t equal to U times t, a unit step assuming 0 initial condition. Okay, to solve this transfer function, we use transfer function obtained in example 1 where g of s equivalent to 1 over s plus 2. Okay, maybe next meeting I will give an example in using transfer function with equation using algebra also. Since r of t equivalent to ut and rs equivalent to 1 over s, since the initial condition are 0, what will be the answer? Okay, this will be the answer. C of s equivalent to r of s times gs equivalent to 1 over s plus 2. Okay, that is the equation, this one. Then we use what? That is the other formula. Expanding by partial fraction, we given what? 1 half over s, then minus 1 half s plus 2. You just partial fraction. Okay, you just make it expand. Then finally, taking the inverse Laplace, transfer of each term yield, that will be what? 1 half minus 1 half e negative 2t. Maybe next meeting I will give an example of inverse Laplace. That is the opposite of Laplace. Okay, you just make it inverse. For example, 9, that will be 1 over 9. Or for example, in this inverse Laplace, you just start with the answer, then getting the problem. That's why it's called inverse, the opposite. Okay, next. How about in an electrical network, transfer function? What is the use of transfer function in electrical network? Okay. Equivalent circuit for electric network that we work with consists of three passive linear components. This one is already discussed. Then these are already the formula. It's already simplified. You should be familiarized with this one. Okay, how about example one? Find the transfer function relating the capacitor voltage BC to the input voltage BS in the below figure. Okay, we have given inductance and resistance and capacitance. We only need to have to get the value of transfer function. Since we should know the output and the input voltage. Okay, this will be the answer. Okay, that will be the answer. We have 1 over LC. It means then in the down, that will be equal to S squared plus RL S plus 1 over LC. Okay, that is the answer. It means in the upper, that is the output. Then in the lower portion, that is the input.